me hit you with something. What if the whole 99% of NFT projects died thing actually proves the tech won? Think about it for a second. Back in 2022, it was pure chaos. FOMO mints, insane trading volume, everyone promising utility with nothing behind it. Most projects weren't businesses. They were Discord groups with a mint button. No revenue plan, no real product, nothing that could survive past hype. So, yeah, they disappeared. But here's what's interesting in 2025. The teams that survived? They're building things that actually work. Pudgy Penguins turned their IP into a real consumer brand. Physical toys in big retail stores, digital penguins that plug into Pudgy World, collaborations with major gaming platforms. Azuki keeps expanding Hilumia, treating NFTs like an evolving digital city where holders unlock new storylines, merch drops, and experimental digital experiences. Yuga Labs is still developing Other Side, but now with playable demos, partner worlds, and actual in-game assets people can use, not just promises. And Immutable is powering an entire wave of Web3 games, where NFTs function as real in-game items rather than speculative collectibles. Even mainstream brands are still using the tech, just using different language. Nike continues rolling out. Swoosh drops tied to game integrations and member rewards. Adidas is doing token-linked merch claims. Ticketmaster's tokenized ticket pilots are still being used for proof of attendance and fan rewards. Quietly, but consistently. Meanwhile, the infrastructure since 2022 leveled up big time. Base, Polygon, and Immutable zkEVM made NFT transactions feel instant and cheap. Magic Eden went cross-chain and onboarded creators from Solana to Ethereum to Bitcoin ordinals. And wallets got simpler. Coinbase Wallet and Phantom now feel closer to logging into a normal app than using crypto. So yeah, the speculation died off. But the technology? It's being absorbed into gaming, loyalty systems, digital identity, IP projects. The boring but real stuff. The adoption didn't go away, it just stopped yelling and started building. All right, that's it for today. Stay safe, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.